sleep apnea ama kungorota wakati unapolala. Kuna watu hata wengine wanangorota mtu tu akirelax tu hivi kwa kiti na alali anangorota. Ni shida kubwa kiafya na watu wengi hawajaelewa complications ya hii shida ni nini. What really happens? How do people develop OSA ama sleep apnea, kungorota? So katika hizi sehemu za throat, there is a muscle iko ndani kule. So when ukienda kulala, hiyo muscle ina relax na ina restrict hewa yenye inaingia kwa lungs. So when you are sleeping actually, una struggle kuingiza hewa ndani ya your lungs, and at times ina close completely, na unapata mtu mwingine ameshindwa kupumua and then anaamuka all of a sudden and then anarudi tena kulala. So for a long period of time, if mtu anaendelea kungorota, anakuwa na a lot of sleep deprivation at night, so you don't get enough sleep, and that is why sometimes you don't even know. Unastukia tu mchana tu unalala, unachipata umelala kwa kiti, unachipata umelala hata ukiendesha gari, umechipata hata ukiwa kwa mahali popote, unachipata umelala. So mtu mwenyewe, a patient ama mtu yeyote hawezi kuelewa kwamba akona sleep apnea unless you are sleeping with a partner ndiye akwambie kwamba hey, unajua unapolala unangorota. So you need somebody else to tell you. But kama ungekuja to my clinic, unaniambia kwamba I'm so tired, I feel so tired, I feel like I sleep a lot during the day, hata sina energy. That triggers immediately to me kwamba you probably have a sleep apnea ama unangorota wakati unalala. That's why you don't breathe very well, you don't get good oxygen circulation. And during the day, because you haven't gotten enough oxygen circulation, you find yourself so tired. You don't sleep well. And that is a huge problem. So, kungorota inaleta matatizo nyingi. One complication, kuna vitu vingi yenye inaweza kwenda kuharibika katika maisha yako. Namba ya kwanza ni kuwa na cardiac issues. Reason being, because of that obstruction, at night when you go to sleep, the pressure in your chest inakuwa different than the regular pressure that you normally get, ama inaitwa interthoracic pressure. So there is a lot of changes there, and with that changes for extended period of time, you begin to develop cardiac problems, and that is why OSA ama hiyo kungorota imekuwa linked to cardiac issues if the problem is not treated. So what do you need to do? Because number one thing, like I've said, it leads to sleep deprivation, ina lead to so many other complications. Mtu mwenye apati enough oxygen when they go to sleep, you can have other complications such as organ issues. I don't want, because I want to take a very short time to just give you just an idea so that you go and see your doctor, because I'm not treating anything online here. I'm just giving you an idea. Or just an education. So the first thing that the doctor needs to do is to give you a referral to go and do what we call a sleep study. So a sleep study, I've never worked there, so I don't know much of what is going on there when they do a sleep study. And after that evaluation, they will come up with a report that explains what is going on with your sleep. And the only available treatment for sleep apnea, kuna njia nyingi. There is a surgery that can be done, but it has not shown that it has got ina solution hiyo matatizo kabisa. So a go-to treatment for OSA ni kitu inaitwa CPAP. So hiyo CPAP inawekwa kufunika your nose and mouth, zingine zinafunika tu your nose. And when you go to sleep, push the pressure against that obstruction so that you get enough oxygen going into your lungs and you are able to sleep comfortably without worrying about getting that obstruction, and then all of a sudden unastuka unaamuka. So you need to talk to your doctor, because even if you have got OSA, una hiyo Kungorota, huwezi kupelekwa tu kwa surgery without evaluating how you are gonna make it through, because that is a serious concern for any person going for surgery kama uko na hiyo Kungorota, hiyo OSA. So you need to be treated. You need to be on CPAP for the rest of your life, unless you have there are several other procedures that can be done. But my advice, or my understanding about this, is that you need to talk to your doctor about it so that the doctor can give you a way forward. Thank you so much. This is stay tuned for more information about health.